All right, guys, today is Wednesday, and this is October the 5th, out here in the Sandy Springs, Georgia area. Check out this long driveway. I came out here about a week and a half ago. This client actually found us on YouTube. They was very excited when they found us on YouTube. Remodeled the house a little bit, and they just wanted to get the hardwood floor screened and recoated without doing the full sanding. So I came out here, I gave them an estimate, and they booked on the spot. So me and Scobie's gonna go ahead and knock this job out. He's already here getting started. I went out and did 2 estimates this morning. One was a referral and another one was from Facebook. They also both booked on the spot. A lot of people are starting to get ready for the holidays. You can see this hill, and you can just kind of imagine Scobie bringing that big transit up here. So I told him to be really careful. So I gotta put some gas to it, but oh yeah. So but this is what we're gonna be doing today. I think it's about 1,300 square feet of hardwood floors, and then after this I got one more estimate to do back in Lawrenceville. All right, guys, so yeah, there's Scobie right there, and I'm gonna go ahead and pull. Oh, there's my client right here, like he's about to pull out. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, so yeah, this is 1,352 square feet. I'll show you guys what we're doing. Scobie!
Oh, shit on you, man. Stop doing that. What's going on with you?
What's up, man? All right, guys, so what we're doing is all of this. All of this. I think they wanted to add the stairs as well, if I'm not mistaken. I know Scobie said something about the stairs. Well, I guess they did, yeah, because he already done the stairs. So they added the stairs today because he called me earlier. All of this, all of that. All right, guys, so Scobie got it with the screening. I'm gonna start cleaning and tacking, and then we'll get ready to put the first coat down. They got all the furniture moved out the way. They had a lot of furniture, so they did a great job moving the furniture. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, cleaning and tacking the floors. One thing I like about the cleaning and tacking process, it gives us a good indication of how the floors are going to look when we start putting down the finish. Also cleans the floors, and also helps soften up the floor. So if we need to make any color corrections, we're going to get better results with our color corrections after cleaning the floor. So that's what I'm doing right now, cleaning and tacking. Floor's going to look really good. This client is going with a satin finish. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, look how much better these floors look. This is just the first coat. OMG. You can see it's still drying, so I'm just kind of watching. Man, it looks so much better. So much better. And like I was telling my client, I noticed when we were screening, it had that amber look to it. So that is a oil base, and the water base just always makes the floors look so much better. Oh man, this is what I'm talking about. Nice. Nice. All right, guys, since I was sitting in the truck, I had 3 estimates come in that approved to get on the schedule. So everybody, it's like a lot of people starting to get ready for the holidays. So I'm gonna let Scobie put down the second coat, but man, these floors look amazing, amazing. So Scobie's about to get ready to put the second coat down, and I'm gonna run off and do 2 estimates. You can see where the floors were sanded. You see those shadow marks. How does it look?
It's like a miracle. It's crazy.
Yes.
I'll take a walk on them. Nobody,
So
I don't want anybody.
You don't want nobody to walk on it now? It looks, man, it looks amazing. You just be surprised, guys, with a good screening recoat. Again, I had a client just call, well, a potential client, but he wanted to change the stain. So anytime you want to change the stain, that's not something that we do, but we do. I do have a few guys that I network with that can sand the floors. But if you just want to keep your original stain and your floors are in a condition where we can save them with the screening recoat, that is the best way to go. So, all right, guys, we're going to go ahead and let Scobie finish up. I'm going to go knock out these 2 estimates on the way back to Gwinnett County. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. We got a big wax removal job to do in Roswell. And then I got 3 estimates tomorrow. All right, guys. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.